8-step practical problem solving. Step 5, root cause. Root cause key teach points. Problem to pursue and direct causes, 5 why investigation, embedded test, characteristics of a root cause. Ensure you have found the true root cause. Start the root cause investigation with the problem to pursue, and then the direct causes identified from step 3. This gives a structure to the 5 why analysis and eliminates guesswork. A root cause is the result of a 5 why investigation from each direct cause of a problem. It is important to realise there may be more than one direct cause of a problem, as identified in step 3. A 5 why investigation must be done for each direct cause to understand the root cause and clarify whether it is an opinion or fact. There are 2 main problem cause levels: specific. This is an occurrence or a condition that is confirmed to be the reason of a specific problem or effect that exists. It is linked to a cause or effect chain that can be pursued and addressed at the root cause. Systemic. Systemic is an aspect of the design of the work system that leads to a category of problems or a type of waste in the output of the system. It can be addressed by an improvement in the design of the workflow. Consider a 5 why investigation at systemic cause level as appropriate to stop the system of work producing more specific type problems. Completing a 5 why investigation. Ask why to drill down to the root cause. It might be more or less than 5 whys. Each why might give a multiple of answers. Capture them all. Use facts and data at each stage to prove and understand the pathway to root cause. Example of a 5 why investigation. The machine stopped. Why? Because the overloaded circuit tripped. Why? Because the pump was seized up. Why? Because metal shavings damaged the shaft. Why? Because shavings entered the lubrication system. Why? Because no filter was on the inlet pipe. Therefore, shavings entered the lubrication system. Therefore, metal shavings damaged the shaft. Therefore, the pump was seized. Therefore, the overload circuit tripped. Therefore, the machine stopped. Replacing the fuse is containment, as it would probably blow again. The root cause is related to causing the overload in the circuit. Using the 5 why logic. Ask why and then eliminate and prioritise the causes based on facts and data. Confirm facts, and if there's no cause and result sequence in the cause, stop asking why. Review this example of the 5 why logic. Follow the path to root cause. Make sure you stop at something you can influence and change. Embedded test. Sometimes when people try to establish a 5 why chain, they place the events in the wrong order. You need to ensure the following. Pathway to root cause should be in time order as you read down. It should be able to put therefore between each level and read correctly upwards from the bottom. Check the thinking and logic is correct of the 5 whys. Use the 5 why checklist. Look at the causes vertically and check for causal relationships. Ask X happens because of Y happens because of Z. Look at the causes horizontally on the tree also. Check for thoroughness and non-redundancy. Do not allow root causes to be easily defined by a human factor, i.e. attitude and motivation. Characteristics of a root cause. It can be more or less than 5 whys. It's something you can do something about. The proven source of the problem. It's not an employee's fault and it will stop the problem. Ensure you have found the true root cause. A root cause will be the proven source of the problem, i.e. if you address the root cause, the problem will not happen. Use data and experiments and photos to prove this. It won't blame anyone, e.g. team members, error or retraining. It's something you can change and do something about. It will stop the problem. The root cause will be taken forward to step 6 to develop countermeasure ideas that will eliminate them. What the A3 story should look like. A good A3 step 5 root cause will show these key points. Starts with the problem to pursue, then the direct causes. Visualizes the logic and answers and branches for each why asked, maybe more or less than 5 levels. Each level is time bound downwards and a logic checked with therefore upwards, and a clear and concise root cause is stated and aligned to good root cause characteristics.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest lean content.